Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and Samsung just sent over their new Galaxy Tab A7, which is essentially their budget tablet in their tablet lineup, starting at $230. At that price point, you get a 10.4-inch display along with 32 gigs of internal storage, which you might say is a little bit on the low side. You can bump up internal storage to 64 gigabytes if you'd like. However, it also does come with a micro SD card slot to expand that storage. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up, take a quick look what comes in the box, and see what you get for that $230 price point. Let's get started. The model Samsung sent over for us to check out is the dark gray 32 gigabyte model, and let's see what we get. Opening it on up, looks like we've got our Tab A7 in a cloth. We're gonna keep it there, keep that build up that suspense, and check out what else comes in the box. Standard booklets and a micro SD card ejection tool. And finally in the box, your Samsung fast charging travel adapter, which is USB Type A with the charging cable USB Type A to USB Type C. Finally, onto the tablet, the Tab A7. Let's take the cloth off, pull the device on out, and here we go. There's that dark gray color with a camera on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and boot the tablet on up and take a close look at this tablet. Down at the bottom, you have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I'm sure that's a welcome addition for tablet users. Not one, but two speakers, and these are two of four speakers actually. USB Type-C slot for charging, microphone. Moving along up towards the top is another microphone. You've got your volume rockers and power button. And then along the left side are, yes, the other two speakers. So quad speakers on this device should be really solid for multimedia. Down at the bottom is where you'll find that micro SD card slot, which can expand up to 1 terabytes of storage. And then flipping it over on the back is an 8 megapixel rear camera. You got the Samsung logo. Let's go. I'm gonna run through the setup process and only talk about anything noteworthy. There's no fingerprint scanner built into this tablet. However, you do have face recognition. We can set that up. All right, so not gonna lie, when I was readjusting my camera, it actually registered my face extremely quickly, so we'll be able to test that out. Let's actually do that to start. We're on the home screen now. To start, let's go ahead and look at the tablet. Press it on, and you'll see it already has unlocked. Let's try it again. Press the power button, swipe up, and it's already unlocked. And yes, it is using Face Unlock. You'll notice that icon up at the top. You can double tap to wake, and you'll see it instantly unlocks it. So Face Unlock is really snappy. And just a closer look at that 10.4-inch LCD display, 2000 by 1200 resolution, which is a 5:3 aspect ratio. Up at the top of the tablet, you'll see a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. You also notice some thicker bezels, I guess. However, on tablets, I really don't mind because then you got a spot to place your thumbs. And then, of course, you can use it in portrait mode. You don't have to use it horizontally. It's a little much taller when you hold it this way. So realistically, I'm kind of happy that they decided to put the webcam in the middle here because probably use it most of the time horizontally. This does run Android 10 out of the box. It does have Samsung Skin on top of it with some useful additions to the tablet. It also has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor on the inside, which isn't anything anywhere near their top tier processor. However, it will get the job done. Don't expect to be able to do a crazy amount of multitasking with it. This is probably made for maybe one app at a time in terms of if you want to do some gaming, if you want to watch some videos. This is actually great for that considering it has a 10.2-inch display. It has those quad speakers. And as a quick example for some video content, here is YouTube with your suggestions over to the right. You can check out comments. You can give a video a thumbs up if you'd like to. And if we play it, put it in full screen, you'll notice with this aspect ratio, very minimal black bars at the top and bottom. Not really noticeable, to be completely honest, with that 5:3 aspect ratio. And let's turn the volume up all the way. See how cool it actually does look. So right away, definitely sounds very loud and clear. Let's do a quick test with a song. And as you guys know, I don't want to mess with any copyright music, so we're going to play a copyright-free song real quick. Give it a quick little test. This is about at 50%. Let's skip ahead a little bit where it gets a little louder. There we go. Awesome. That is really loud and quality sounded good. I mean, that was obviously just one song, but it is great to hear a lot of sound coming out the right and left, and considering they're not on the back is a plus. And since this is a Samsung device, it fits into their ecosystem, so you can use their quick share, you have smart view, they have a lot of other settings you can turn on, Dolby Atmos, you have a dark mode toggle up there, focus mode, and call and text on other devices. Now, unfortunately, this does not have any S Pen support, so you have to get a different Samsung tablet if you are looking for something like that. Also, again, this has 3 gigabytes of RAM, so if you're looking to do some heavy multitasking, coupled with that Snapdragon 662, this will probably be fairly average with heavy multitasking. So again, probably look elsewhere at different Samsung tablets. A Tab S7 Plus has been solid if you're really looking to do that heavy multitasking. And that's everything I want to talk about for now with the Galaxy Tab A7 when you compare it to the flagship tablets. Obviously, it needs to make some sacrifices, but for that price point, it seems to be a fairly good value, to be honest. Let's go ahead and test that face unlock one more time with the camera in the way. And we're good to go. Again, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the Tab A7 if it's something you're considering. Probably a device you're going to watch a lot of content on, play some games on, and that's about it. So multimedia consumption devices, what I can see. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.